Hello, what's going on, guys? Shadow here, and today I discovered a question browsing my curious about the Pokemon stats and all. I browsed on this question. Sorry if you cannot see it, I will read it out to you. What are the Pokemon with the highest stats of each type? I saw this question somewhere before, but I could not find it at all. Can you please answer this? So this person basically has seen this question before and wants to know the answer. They give an example. For the normal type HP category, they say Blissey, Blissey, obviously, 255 HP. They also include maxing it out, which I have done. Now they've said to non-include Ubers. Obviously not all legendaries, or maybe it's not obvious, but not all legendaries make it into the Uber tier. But I've just decided to ignore that. I did not include Mega Evolution, but I did include legendaries and all, Ubers and all. This person here gave out an answer for each type, but obviously this is outdated, as you will see. Wait, what's Meloetta's period form speed? Hold on. Hold on, I gotta find out something. Alright, guys. So, apparently I was wrong about something. But now, I am now aware of its existence and how it affects the list. Sorry about moving the camera so much. Hard to film a computer without having it being displayed on something else. First of all, for normal type for HP, obviously it takes a lot of research, a lot of time, and it's going to be too much complicated, and I don't want to stuff that all into one video for every type, so I'm just doing normal. Next time I'll do fighting or whatever. Okay, guys? Right. So obviously, Blissey with its staggering 255 HP is the most. Hold on. No. Woo! You're getting a sneak preview of things. Zygarde. I believe it also has quite a massive HP. But it still falls short to Blissey. Okay? So Blissey, HP, it's the king. 255, maxed out 714 HP. Remember, you can Dynamax this thing, so it's got quite a lot of HP. while we're here, it also has the highest special defense of any Pokemon. Normal Pokemon. Any normal type Pokemon, this thing has the most of. Arceus, 120. I ain't gonna cut it. 135. So Arceus is on this. As obviously it has phenomenal stats, but ain't the greatest stats for one single stat in this debate. But the one thing it does beat out is in defense. If you count legendaries, mythicals, or whatever, Arceus has the highest defense out of all of them. So Valley, yeah, he's the rip-off of God. 95. That's so bad. 100 you see tossed around quite a lot by many Pokemon. If you're talking about a non-legendary Pokemon, strangely enough, Miltank has the most defense, 108 defense. Now, we're not counting HP into this, because obviously we're talking about a category, not how good the Pokemon is at using this. And next is Slacking, which has 160 attack, the highest for any normal type, tied with Regigigas. I believe Slow Start does cut into its attack, but if we ignore abilities wise and competitive wise, because obviously both of them are very bad, like these two, Regigigas, the legendary Pokemon that move the continents, and this big old fat beast matches it and is somehow faster than its more agile looking pre-evolution by 10 points, which I don't understand. But if you want to go technically, then Slacking has the highest, just like this list said. As you can see, it is they are pretty accurate if discarding what we don't include, if we're including legendaries. Next is Porygon Z for its massive special attack of 135. Now, obviously I've seen quite a lot of Pokemon with 120 special attack, and now with Chandelure and stuff you see 145, which is phenomenal. But if we're talking normal types, Porygon Z's got the highest. It's not quite as I thought it would be in a Trick Room mon. But as you can see, its special attack is massive, and since Alola, I'm assuming, wasn't out when this list was creating, Drampa also ties with Porygon Z with that massive 135 attack. Now, I don't know which one would be better. Drampa's got the dragon typing, while Porygon's got nothing, but it does have the powerful adaptability. So you can argue that this thing has the highest, is better than Drampa when it comes to attacking, but overall, that's a different case. Now, as if you're paying attention, we already went over special defense, so the last category is speed. And what you saw from that preview earlier, I thought it was Swellow. I looked at all the normal type legendaries and mythicals, and I looked at Meloetta, I'm seeing 90 speed, that ain't that high. And then I go to Swellow, which this person previously said. But then I realized they were saying Pure Meloetta's other form, and I had to check it out. And ta-da! Meloetta in that form has 128 speed. Like, I thought, like when I thought it would be higher, honestly. I thought 130 would be, although 130 is still pretty high of a stat. So this is pretty good. Just not what I expected. The fastest normal type to be. 8 points over Arceus, of course. Because where these are far from the highest. But this speed is somehow the fastest out of all. Hope you guys found this discussion interesting. I did. As you can see, I wanted to compare this list into the modern age, and things have certainly changed with 2 new generations. I should probably have holded this list out, maybe updated when the Crown Tundra comes out. Maybe Calyrex or some other Pokemon will blow me away from what I thought happened on the list that we've covered, or that we're going to cover. But anyways, guys, hope you found this entertaining. Goodbye!